Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop nugget ice makers, the Kismile and the Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines are designed for home and office use, promising quick ice production and convenient self-cleaning features. In this video, we will explore their similarities and differences to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to price, the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $219 US, while the Nugget Ice Maker is slightly more affordable at $199 US. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on features. Next, let's discuss water tank capacity. The Kismile model has a water tank capacity of 1.1 liters, while the Nugget Ice Maker boasts a larger capacity of 2.3 liters. This means that the Nugget Ice Maker can hold more water, allowing for longer periods of ice production without needing a refill. Finally, let's take a look at the design features. The Kismile Nugget Ice Maker has a stylish black finish, while the Nugget Ice Maker features a sleek silver design. Both models are compact and designed to fit well on any countertop, but your choice may depend on which aesthetic appeals to you more. In conclusion, both the Kismile and Nugget Ice Maker have their unique advantages. The Kismile offers rapid ice production and a stylish design, while the Nugget Ice Maker provides a larger water tank capacity and a more affordable price. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.